Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 4. So in this technique, we're going to have a constant number, which is 2 that we're going to multiply to our answer, and another constant number is 1 that we are going to subtract. For example, if we're going to have 14 squared, so we're going to look at the first digit here, 1. So you're going to have here 1, then the next digit of 1 is 2, then just add 0 to make it 20. So we're going to have 1 times 20. Then you're going to subtract here product of the number 1 times the constant number 2. Then we're going to subtract here 1. So this will be your first digits of your answer. And the last digit will be 6 because all of the numbers ending in 4, if we're going to square those numbers, the last digit is 6. So solving this one, which is 1 times 20 is 20. Then minus 1 times 2 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So 20 minus 1 is 19. So first digits of your answer and last digit will be 6. So 14 squared will be 196. Another example, let's have 24 squared. So first digit is 2. So we're going to have your 2 times the next digit of 2 is 3. So 2 times 30. Then minus 2 times the constant number 2. Then minus the constant number 1. So 2 times 30 is 60. Then minus 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1, that will be 3. 60 minus 3 is 57. So these are the first digits. And the last digit will be 6. So 576 is our answer here. Another example, let's have 54 squared. So 54 squared, first digit is 5. So we're going to have 5 here. Times 60, then minus 5 times 2, then minus 1. So 5 times 60 is 300, then 5 times 2 is 10, minus 1, that will be 9. So 300 minus 9, that will be equal to 291. So 54 squared will be 2,916. Then let's have 84 squared. So 84 squared, this will be equal to 8, first digit. Then the next digit of 8 is 9, so we're going to have here times 90. Then minus 8 times 2. Then minus 1. So 8 times 90 is 720. Then you're going to subtract here 8 times 2, 16, minus 1 is 15. So 720 minus 15. And the answer here will be 705. So for our final answer, 84 squared, that will be equal to 7,056. So let's have our last example. Let's have 64 squared. So 64 squared, first digit is 6. So 6 times next digit of 6 is 7. So we're going to have here 70. Then minus 6 times 2. Then minus 1. So 6 times 70 is 420. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 1 is 11. So 420 minus 11. And that will be equal to 409. So 64 squared is equal to 4,096. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below. And see you next time.